London, I have surprised Sean. When did I surprise you? Was it yesterday?
Yeah, day or two, a couple of days ago.
Was it?
Yeah.
Because I am taking him away for the weekend for his birthday, which actually isn't until April, but we are off to see an Aussie comedian.
It's my birthday month and a half.
Yeah, we are off to see an Aussie comedian called Carl Barron.
Yeah.
So yeah, Sean likes him. So and I thought his stuff was quite funny.
I'm already
as well.
laughing just thinking about it. The way he looks.
Yeah, so we have stopped off at the servo, and he's going to get me a sandwich. So what he comes back with, let's
Surprise.
wait and see. Yes. He's back. What did he get? What did he get? What did he get?
Oh, I got a steak slice for me. You can have. Yeah, I went to M&S to get a sandwich, and like I looked at prawn and mayo, and it was like £4 for like a prawn and mayo sandwich.
Are you serious?
And then
what,
I got Classic Selection, which has a prawn mayo in it, and was only £3.75. I only got to shop around.
So I get
you
one
can have a bite of
half
the steak
of the
slice.
sandwich.
No, you can have the others as well. Did alright, didn't I?
Yeah.
Saved us money, and I got what you want.
I asked you on Twitter and Instagram if you wanted more accessible room tours. So on our little journey, we're staying overnight, and I've requested an accessible room, and then we're going to the theatre, so we'll check out the accessibility at the theatre. I've also asked for an accessible table at the restaurant, so we'll see if that happens. And also
Accessibility Plus.
And also, when I booked the hotel, I asked if they had parking, and they were like, "Ooh, well, it's first come, first serve." But they did say that they would reserve a disabled bay for me. But I don't know about you. You always ask these things.
Oh yeah, somebody's probably said it, and then somebody else has forgotten it.
It always happens, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll see. Will we get the parking space, or will we not? Comment down below. It's a 50-50 chance. We've made it. Just getting to the hotel now.
Yeah, it's freezing, ain't it?
It is so cold. Still,
wind.
yeah. But we found a disabled bay, which we can stay in like for the whole time we're here. So we thought, let's just go in there and check to see. Like, so you know, we've got one.
Just in case they haven't got our spot.
Exactly, just in case it hasn't been reserved or whatever, or you've got to pay loads. So. Parking at the hotel was £15 a day. We actually decided to leave the car where it was on the street parking, which was free because we were in a disabled bay. As far as I'm aware, they didn't reserve a place for us, but there were plenty of spots available. I've got my wheelchair cozy on.
Nice, cozy.
Can you get in?
I mean,
yeah, if you want to know how to make this little wheelchair cozy, just click the little link. I've got my winter wheelchair guide, and you can make one yourself.
now, relax.
But is it going to work? Is it going to work?
Look at that. Whose card was that?
Oh, let's have a look. What have we got?
This is quite
This
spacious,
is
isn't it, actually?
modern,
What?
spaceship. We've got a nice bed. It's very dark.
It is.
Open up curtain, duck. Open up curtain. Oh, look at that view!
I can sit in my chair and just...
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
my
the
book.
Big Brother chair.
My book. Yeah.
How are you feeling today, Sean?
Well, yeah, I'm feeling a bit grubby, a bit dirty. Been there quite a while.
I think they do wash in Big Brother.
Do they?
Yeah, there's like a house. They have a bathroom. What program are you on?
I don't know, Survivor or something? Yeah.
Right, so we've got
Let's have
a nice
look.
little flat screen, tea and coffee, a nice kettle, a nice big bed. Emergency cord is not pulled up. Lots of you were really pleased to see. Here is our
After
bath.
last time. No, there's no
Oh,
bath.
there's no bath.
It's a wet room.
Yeah. Well, that's quite good though. Oh, there's,
you can
there's a
wheel
little
straight
shower
in
chair.
there.
Yeah, but then my chair would get wet. Which is why
and then get on the seat, I mean.
Yeah. Toilet. Where's the emergency cord? Is that Paul? Is that? No. Look, it's free. The emergency cord is not tied up.
Don't want that, the disaster happening again, do we?
Oh, actually, tell them, Sean. What did you do in the last hotel? Because I didn't say.
I got it wrapped up in my towel as I pulled it around, and when I tried to yank it out, I actually pulled the switch, and I kept pulling it, panicking, trying to turn it off. They came running, panicking. I was just going to leave it there like that. Oh God, no! Imagine. It's always good to check it, though, isn't it? Hey?
Well, yeah. Do you
time
want to
their
check
response.
just in case?
Their response time.
People aren't going to let us stay in their hotels.
Premier Inn took them 1.5 minutes. Took you 3. 3. Unsatisfactory.
I wonder what the response time should be.
I don't know. I like it.
Yeah, it's good. Nice grab handle there to open the door.
Nice looking. Think about it. Everything's quite spacious, isn't it? It's really good for the wheelchair. This one.
Yeah.
Compared to the Premier, which was a lot of tight spaces, this is really.
Yeah, for a London room as well.
Yeah. TV. Pull this off the wall. Does this like move around? This is my kind of like room, you know, because they've used all the spaces perfectly. Look, this is just one shelf here with the TV. You've got your tea and coffee here. There's no little poncy table thing around to get in your way, you know, for the tea and coffee. I like it.
I feel like you're stealing my thunder a bit, Sean.
Sorry. Oh, that's probably, I don't know.
You're doing a good job, Sean. Everybody give Seano the thumbs up.
Oh look, there's a red cord next to the bed as well.
Yeah, I know, we've seen that one, yeah.
That better be your side. Is
it
your side? No, it's my side.
And it's not tied up, which is good.
What time? For me water.
He's still talking about the cord.
Water.
So yeah, we're here. We made it at the Holiday Inn Hammersmith. And I think we haven't got long, and then we've got dinner, and then we're going to the show.
I was expecting that to come this way.
We've just had a little wee freshen up at the hotel, and now we're off to get some dinner. We're going to Bill's. You excited?
Yeah. I can't wait.
What do you fancy tonight, Sean?
Steak.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I hope there's a steak on the menu. Yeah, I fancy that, like, or a burger or something. It's so cold, I really fancy some good old comfort food. I got us both in. And then after dinner we're off to the theatre, the Eventim Apollo. Today it sounds eerie, can you hear that? I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Thank you.
The staff were very friendly and attentive at Bill's, and they did give me an accessible table. However, the disabled bathroom, the lock was broken, but they were getting it fixed as soon as possible. And I'd rather a working toilet with no lock than a non-working toilet with a lock. So yeah, I'm sure it's sorted by now. We made it. We're at the box office. Just picked up our tickets, and it's pouring down with rain. And
It's raining.
it's not pleasant outside. 3 degrees. And the show doesn't start for 30 minutes, so the doors aren't even open. So we're just in a cold foyer. Should we play a game?
Yeah, what? I Spy.
Oh no, I hate I Spy. The disabled access at the Eventim Apollo was absolutely faultless. The accessible seats were amazing. We had our own little platform and we had a non-restricted view. The only thing I would say is that it is set off to the side, so if you have any hearing troubles, it could be a bit tricky with regards to not sitting right in the middle of the speakers. We had an accessible bathroom right next to us, and the staff were really, really friendly and helpful as well. I would definitely go back to this theatre, and look how pretty it is as well. Morning, guys. It's the next day. I didn't film because they were a bit funny about cameras in the Eventim Apollo, so I didn't film anything. But we had a really good time.
He was hilarious, wasn't he?
He was hilarious. It was a really, really good show. And
Brought tears to my eyes.
you're laughing so hard. I didn't film coming out or anything because it was absolutely pouring down with rain. But yeah, we've had a really comfortable night. It's been really good. So yeah, we're going to go and get some breakfast and then home.
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.